We're going to create a new line of shoes for Kanye West in under a minute using AI. Here we go. First step is head on over to Midjourney and type in this prompt: Cubist Yeezy sneakers, monochromatic with gold details. And here we go. This is what Midjourney gave us. These shoes look pretty cool, but they're a little extreme. I tried some more options here. You can see they have a similar vibe. And here are some up-close details of the two that I like the most. Now, like I said, these are a little extreme, so we're going to take them back into Midjourney so we can make them look more like Yeezys. So we're just going to go copy the media link, and what that's going to do is it's going to take that image and use that to build the next prompt. So we're just going to paste in that link that we copied and type in Yeezy sneakers monochromatic with gold details. And notice I left out the word cubist this time because it's going to make it so that these sneakers feel a little bit more like the Kanye West sneakers. Now you can see on the bottom of the shoes, it's actually picking up the details from the Yeezys, especially the one on the bottom left. If you look at a pair of Yeezys, you'll see that detail. It's very subtle, but it's there. We just did it in under 1 minute. And don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.